Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to access Smart Thinking through your Blackboard website. As we mentioned in the course, we would really like for you to access Smart Thinking first through My Labs and use your 3 submissions there. And once you've used your 3 submissions in My Labs, then you can move over to the Course Tools area and access Smart Thinking this way. I'm going to walk you through how to access Smart Thinking and then how to utilize it because it's going to look different from what we saw in the My Labs. So the first thing we want to do is to scroll down and look on the left-hand side of your course in the navigation bar and click on Tools area. You're going to see a lot of tools here that you can use as a student, so do try to become familiar with this. But then scroll down and we see Smart Thinking Login here on the right. We're going to click Smart Thinking Login. You do need to have your pop-up blockers disabled or you will not be able to get any farther than that blue page. So here we're going to open this page and we have our Smart Thinking website. Notice it does look different than what we saw in My Labs. You have a lot of different options here. If you want to come and get some tutoring help online for different classes, you can click on drop-in tutoring or scheduled tutoring. We are going to access the Writing Center for English 111 and English 112. Notice you have the Essay Center, you have a place to get help with grammar and documentation. If you want help with just a paragraph, we encourage you to use the Essay Center. This is where you can upload your entire paper. So we're going to click on Essay Center and it's going to take me to a page to submit my paper for tutoring help. Notice it already knows who I am because I'm logged into Blackboard. It knows where I'm logging in from. And so the next part would be for you to type in which course you're in and the title of the course, your professor's name, the due date of the assignment, and you want to put your writing title, so what's the title of your work, because titles are very important. We don't want to leave those out. Provide a clear description of the assignment, and again I suggest that you copy and paste the information from the assignment sheet that your instructor's given you directly to this box so that the tutor knows exactly what's expected of you. And then describe the kind of help you would like. So is there something in particular that you want the tutor to focus on? And then you can also click some of these topics for help. First available is probably what you want to click for your tutor because you don't want to have to wait. You do want to try to get it back within a timely period. And then you browse here to select the file from your files on your computer. Notice that it asks you for a certain type of document that you upload. And then you submit. And once you submit, typically with this form of Smart Thinking, you'll get an email that says that you have submitted. So make sure that you click the submit button and that if it comes up to a new page that you have to submit, click submit again, that you do that as well. I've had students say that they had to click submit twice, and then check your email to make sure that it went through. You should have an email saying that you've submitted your paper, and once they are finished with your paper, they should send you an email letting you know that they're finished, but you can always come in here and check. Go to Personal Archive up here at the top, and that's where your paper will be returned to you. Notice I don't have any archives because I've not submitted any papers, but students will have a list of papers here that have been returned. So this is where you go when you want to be able to retrieve your paper from your tutor and to see their feedback. Here also notice are the FAQs for Smart Thinking. So if you get hung up and you don't know how to retrieve or you don't know how to submit or something, you have questions about something in particular, you can look at the FAQs here to figure out what you might need to do. And then also if you have questions about this form of Smart Thinking, you can ask your instructor and hopefully your instructor can help you as well. So again, once you've used your 3 submissions through My Labs, you can come here. You are allowed 8 hours of submissions here on this form of Smart Thinking, and they will tell you how many hours each submission actually uses. I've heard students say 40 minutes per submission, but that's something that you can check here through your Smart Thinking page. So just keep that in mind, and again, if you have questions, just let us know. Thanks.